Welcome back, lawn lovers. BW here. Hey, let's start part 2 of the renovation. It's August 29th today, and it's been 6 days since I sprayed the renovation with Roundup Concentrate Plus. Part 2 of renovating for me is mowing the grass short, and I prefer to do that a week after spraying. I found that if I wait any longer, the grass will begin to mat down on the ground, and it becomes more difficult to mow when it does that. In the past, I've had to wait about 2 weeks before I could seed, so that I could respray any grass or weeds that didn't seem to be dying. This year I plan to seed right after this mowing. Roundup Concentrate Plus makes the grass turn brown faster, so I'll be able to see if I need to respray anything much sooner than I could with a glyphosate-only product. That should make this easy renovation even easier for me. Most product labels on grass killers recommend that you spray it on tall grass, so that it's easier for the grass plant to absorb more of the product. You can then mow short after the grass has had enough time to absorb the grass killer. Read and follow the directions on the label of whichever product you decide to use. I'm using my little electric mower on this part of the renovation. I've been mowing this area to just 1 1/4 inches all summer long with my reel mower, so it really isn't very long. Maybe 2 inches at most. I hope that's long enough to get a good kill. This little mower can closely follow the contour of the ground without scalping into the soil. I'm actually mowing as short as this mower can go, which is about the same 1 1/4 inches that I've been mowing this area all summer. The dead grass is thick here, so that there will be plenty of grass left to protect the seed. This can get pretty dusty, but it's nice to be able to use the big mower on the larger part of the renovation. I'm holding my breath when I need to, but next time I think I'll wear a dust mask. I'm a little bit worried about scalping with this mower, so I'm going to start mowing at 2 inches and see how that does before I try mowing any lower. I want to leave enough grass to protect the seed, but cut it short enough for the seed to easily make it to the soil surface. Collecting the clippings also helps. Seeding on top of clippings won't be as successful. You can save the clippings to use as a seed blanket after seeding. I usually don't find that necessary, and that helps make this part of the renovation even easier for me. It's also easier for me to dump the clippings into a pile and then bag them later than it is to dump them directly into a bag or container. The first cut went pretty well, so I made another pass at 1 1/2 inches. That got really close to scalping in a few areas, so I'm glad I didn't try to go any lower. Normally the short grass that's left when seeding will be enough to protect the seed and prevent erosion and washouts, but if you have any bare spots in your renovation, it's a good idea to save some clippings to cover your seed with in those areas. That's it for part 2 of this even easier lawn renovation. Don't miss the next video of this 3-part renovation series, and remember, you can do it!